Okay, let's unlock your Amazon Fire tablet. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it.
But first, a quick heads up. Even the pros say this can get tricky and really frustrating.
So you're gonna need some patience. But if you're up for the challenge, let's get into it.
All right, step 1 is prepping your tablet. We need your model number and to flip one important switch.
Okay, step 2. It's time to download the files. There are 4 special ones we're gonna need.
These files are called APKs. Basically, they're just app installers you get from the web.
Now, getting the right version of each of these 4 files is super important. Let's break them down.
File number 1, the Google Account Manager. Just grab the version that matches your tablet's generation.
Next up, Google Services Framework. This one's easy. Just match your model to the right version.
Okay, file 3 is Google Play Services. Look for the newest one that says no DiePi. Easy enough.
And the last one, the Google Play Store itself. You want the one labeled No DiePi and Universal.
All right, you've got all your files. Now for the most important part, the installation sequence.
You have 4 files, and the order you install them in is absolutely critical. No messing around here.
So you need to follow this order exactly. Head to your Files app, find the downloads, and install.
And here's another huge tip. After you install each app, make sure you press Done. Do not press Open.
Once all 4 are installed, just hold down that power button and hit Restart. Then you can log in.
But what if it doesn't work? Yeah, let's talk about what to do if you hit a snag. Look, if you got the order wrong or it won't open, the fix is tough. You have to reset and start over.